Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are doing some numeracy today. We're going to talk about shortest to longest. We've been talking about graphing and reading graphs and data. We've been using string. So on the table or in the groups, I want you to put out some objects and a piece of paper, doesn't have to be fancy, that has the word shortest and an arrow to longest. Yeah. So what they're going to do is they're going to find their objects and they're going to literally put them in order of shortest to longest and keep playing with that. So it's just hands-on kinesthetic today. So I'm going to turn this upside down. So Miss Hake has some things here. And I'm going to try to order them shortest to longest like the video. So looking at these, I think it might be a good idea to kind of put them all the same way. Because if we put them all the same way, then we can kind of see already which one is the tiny, tiny, eeny, weeny one. So my crayon has to go first. Now, out of these three left, which one is next? Yeah, the marker, and then the eyeglass container, and then the pencil. So you've done it shortest to longest. So take those objects away, and then you can keep going and going and going with different things. Yeah, another extension of this is to put out the yarn and the string, and they can cut. Scissor scales, amazing. A really short. So if Miss Hake cut a really short piece, I got to make the next piece, I'm going to line up the ends a little longer. So if I'm going to have to do 4, look at that. I'm making, this one didn't quite cut. I'm making my shortest to longest using string. So if I want another one, I'm going to have to take this guy and make sure that it's longer when I cut it. Yeah. There it is. And now I want a really long one, so it's got to be longer than this and this and this. So it sure will be. I'm going to cut it all the way here. And I can get my glue or my tape, and I can tape it down and just play with it. Amazing. So 2 different things today, a sort with objects, and if they're ready for cutting and pasting and scissor scales, do that. It's a super fun thing to do and to see if they understand the concept of shortest to longest. Okay, bye.